Welcome. In front of me is a Vivo Y16, and today I will show you how we can enable the power saving mode. So to get started, let's pull down our toggles straight from the top, swipe down once more, and somewhere between those toggles you will see a battery saver, which it is on the second page for me, as you can see right over here. So once you see this toggle, simply press on it. It will bring up a message, turn on battery saver to extend battery life. Power saving assistant will reduce the device's performance, turn off 5G, and restrict vibrations and most background data for sync. Okay, so basically that's what most of the power saving modes do, which is do like the typical dark mode probably things, and honestly, visual changes aren't as important. What is important in this is this portion right here. So it basically turns off background data, meaning it turns off Wi-Fi and mobile data when the device is not being used. And because of this, you won't be getting emails, messages that are internet reliant because you're not connected. There is a chance it might be reconnecting from time to time just to see if it's missing something, but in general, once you wake up the device yourself from sleep, meaning now it would be sleep mode, or after a couple minutes it would enter sleep mode. When you wake it up, it exits it and should reconnect to Wi-Fi and mobile data to reconnect to it. And then it would basically also sync up everything that was missing. But anyway, I'll just actually turn it on right now. So turn on. And there we go, there's our dark mode. And yeah, so that's basically it. Once you're done with it, you can tap on the toggle once more to turn it off. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.